On April 2022, Gautam Adani made history by becoming Asia's first and the sixth richest man in the world. According to Forbes, his net worth reached a staggering $124 billion. Not long after, in the same year, Tesla's founder Elon Musk surpassed all others and became the world's richest man, with a jaw-dropping net worth of $230 billion. In contrast, consider the annual budget of Pakistan, a mere $45 billion. And then there's you. Perhaps you toil away at a 9-to-5 job, where your hard work goes largely unrecognized and underpaid. The constant work pressure, an overbearing boss, the taunts of colleagues, and the ever-present fear of losing your job. Or maybe you find yourself jobless, despite having obtained an expensive degree from university. The questions and taunts from family, relatives, and friends have worn you down. Money, richness, fame. These seem like games of destiny, and unfortunately, destiny hasn't favored you. These wealthy individuals were born into privilege. They possess a sharper intellect, a superior acumen, and they work harder than you. It seems that you will forever be chasing after money, for that is your fortune. But what if I were to tell you that you're wrong? That there exists a formula, a science, an equation to earn money that only a select few know. You might assume that I'm about to sell you a course, reveal a secret chant, or present a get-rich-quick scheme.
Better call Saul.
By the end of this documentary, you'll come to realize that you, just like me, have never been shown the other side of the coin. These essential insights are never taught in schools, colleges, or universities. The wealthy individuals you see around you, the richest people in your country and the world, they didn't reach their current status solely due to destiny or fortune. What is this secret that they know and we don't? What is that formula or equation that eludes us? The truth is, the formula for earning money that has been taught to you is flawed. You've been led to believe that getting rich is solely dependent on the money you earn from your job. That's why you pursued education and obtained a degree to secure a job. But my friend, if your goal is to accumulate vast wealth quickly, let me tell you that you'll never achieve it with this equation. To get rich is equals to money from job. There's a significant reason behind this. We all possess a precious resource that once depleted can never be regained. That resource is time. In a typical job, you work 40 to 50 hours per week and receive a fixed salary. Let's say you earn 200,000 rupees. Your annual income would amount to 2.4 million rupees. It would take you 40 years to become a millionaire at this rate. However, by that time, you may no longer be alive or find that the money is of no use to you. Time slips through your fingers, and the job you worked so hard for fails to fulfill any of your dreams. So how do these self-made billionaires earn such vast fortunes? The answer lies in the fact that their equation is superior to ours. They understand money in ways that you do not. Perception about money. Listen carefully now. You are paid in proportion to your perceived value in the market. This is why cricketers earn billions and footballers earn trillions. It's not solely about hard work. Consider this bitter truth. An office cleaner earns less than an accountant seated at a desk. The market values an accountant more because an office cleaner can be easily replaced, unlike an accountant. But we've already established that getting rich through a job alone is not possible. So how can you increase your value? What do people like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos possess that makes them highly valued? This leads us to the most critical element of earning money. If you want to become rich, you must solve a problem. If it's $1 million problem, it will make you a millionaire. If it's $1 billion problem, it will make you a billionaire. Consider Amazon, for instance. By addressing the problem of convenient shopping, Jeff Bezos created a platform where people could purchase anything from the comfort of their homes, without the hassle of traffic or noise. Uber is another example. People can now find affordable transportation options from the convenience of their homes. Every billionaire's story follows a similar pattern. Scalability. Remember, the market doesn't respond to your pressure or passion. It values those who solve problems. It rewards those who fulfill demands. Take the example of individuals passionate about mountain climbing. Although they may have intense zeal, they are not paid anywhere close to what cricketers or footballers earn, not even 5% of their income. Why? Because their passion is not valued or in demand in the market. If your pursuit is solely money, this race is futile. Instead, focus on solving problems. Discover what people desire, what bothers them, what they wish for. Search for problems within your surroundings, solve them, and build a business model around it. Search the problem, solve it. Is it really that simple? Just search for a problem and solve it? This question brings us to the final element of the equation, scalability. Your solution should not be limited. For instance, if you're a math teacher who opens a coaching center to help students in your area, it's still akin to having a job. You can only dedicate limited hours, which in turn restricts your earnings. However, you create an online course and make it available for purchase at any time. Your solution becomes scalable. Your course isn't dependent on your physical presence. People can buy it even while you sleep, allowing you to make money around the clock. So if you search for a problem, find an unlimited and scalable solution. This is the secret equation known to millionaires and billionaires worldwide. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can earn. Perception about money plus solve the problem plus scalability. Thank you for watching till the end of this documentary. It's a vast topic, and we've condensed it into a short video for you. Remember, some important points may have been skipped, but the essence remains. Change your perception about money. Focus on solving problems and seek scalability. Only then can you unlock the path to financial success.